We are pleased to show you the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.